Hi everyone, this is Bade Abu from Karze Jaan, AKA दीपक परवानी. ओके आज आमना जी ने बुलाया समथिंग हॉट पे. इंटरव्यू किया उन्होंने. ड्रामा देखते रहिएगा और समथिंग हॉट को भी ज़रूर देखिएगा. काफ़ी हॉट है.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मैं हूं आमना. आप देख रहे हैं समथिंग हॉट. दिस इज हॉट टॉक विद समवन फ्रेंड, अ बिट ऑफ फ्रेंड, अ बिट ऑफ अ फो. 30 साल ये सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं फैशन में. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्लेम्ड नेम्स इन फैशंस बैड बॉय. इनफैक्ट आजकल टीवी के बैड बॉय हैं, बल्कि बैड बड़े अब्बू हैं. मेरे साथ है दीपक परवानी. ऑफ कोर्स दैट जस्ट रोल्ड फ्रॉम बैड बॉय टू बड़े अब्बू, हु इज लाइक कंप्लीटली बैड बॉय. हाउ डज इट फील, दीपक, टू बी प्लेइंग योरसेल्फ?
Remember that drama that I had done 30 years ago, मेरे पास.
Yes.
Okay. मैं रिमेंबर उसके बीच में इतने ड्रामे किए. मेरे ख्याल में 8-10 तो मैंने किए ही होंगे. और सब में मैंने एक मजलूम दादा और मजलूम चचा और मजलूम बाप का रोल प्ले किया.
जी.
और किसी ने कुछ कहा ही नहीं.
हाँ.
ठीक है. मेरे पास में मैंने एक हस्बैंड का कैरेक्टर प्ले किया था जो अपनी बीवी को कहता है कि तुम्हें अबॉर्शन करवाना पड़ेगा.
अब वो भी अब्यूसिव ही था मेरे ख्याल है.
अब्यूसिव था.
हाँ.
दो उसका फर्स्ट पार्ट बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. दे आर इन लव. और जब उसको बच्चा होता है तो मतलब जब वो प्रेग्नेंट होती है तो
जी.
वो पागल हो जाता है उसके
जी.
ऊपर. राइट. एंड देन शी गोज फॉर द मसल मैन जो कि मोहम्मद राना साहब
जी. जी.
और उस जमाने में बड़ा प्यार मिला, बड़ी मोहब्बत मिली. और लोगों ने उस रोल को बहुत अप्रिशिएट भी किया. इनफैक्ट इससे बड़ी अच्छी कहानी और मेरे पास एक क्लिप भी है व्हिच आई कैन शेयर विथ यू लेटर, जिसपे जब मैं यूं ही कर रहा था तो कवि साहब मुझे मिले. यू नो, टू मीट कवि साहब इज
एब्सोल्युटली ऑनर,
लाइक अ रिवर्ड एक्टर. और जो यूं ही में जो मंजूर साहब जो रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं दादा का, वो ओरिजिनली कवि साहब के साथ मैंने प्ले किया था. तो उसके बाद उनकी तबीयत खराब हो गई और ही पास्ड अवे. तो we were sitting one day and he just looked at me and said, तुम वही हो? तो I said, जी कौन? तो तुम वही हो जो नादिया जमील के साथ ड्रामे में आए थे?
हाँ. Oh, he remembered.
He remembered.
Wow.
So Behrouz said कि ये वही है जो मेरे पास में आया,
जिसने अबॉर्शन कराई थी,
जिसने अबॉर्शन करवाया था. तो you know what he said? He said तुम्हारी एक्टिंग इतनी अच्छी थी उस ड्रामे में कि मेरा जी चाह रहा था कि मैं टीवी के अंदर से तुम्हें निकाल के मारूं.
Wow, that's a compliment.
And I immediately recorded it because Behrouz said record it right now.
You said this is my moment. Yeah.
चंद सीन जो है उनमें मेरा जी चाहा मैं स्क्रीन के अंदर जाके आपको निकाल कर बाहर ले और बहुत मारूंगा, यकीन कीजिए.
And the beauty of talking to him that day was कि he turned around and said to me, he said, you know, I never talk to anyone on my sets. I like to sit alone and I like to sit in the other room. But जब से तुम आए हो, ठीक है ना, मैं बस चाहता हूँ कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ बैठे बातें करता रहूं.
But you're a very interesting person. Well, and you're also interesting to talk to because you have a lot to say.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
So मैं कहूँगा कि वो मेरे पास 30 साल पहले और 30 साल बाद बड़े अब्बू.
That is it. That is,
and people are liking it. So I guess negative character जो होता है.
No, people are loving it. People are absolutely loving it. And you know, it's such a powerful character. And you've played it so well. And I think that it's also well written. It's also well directed. Yeah. There's a lot of focus on Bade Abbu. He seems to be the pivot around which the kahani is revolving, whether it's Amar's kahani or Nashwa's kahani or Behzad's kahani. ऐसा है हो रहा है.
Well, if you really must know, जब मैं पहले दिन सेट पे गया था तो I think that Saqib Khan is a fantastic director.
Right.
Brilliant. Because you know, after working with so many of them, हमारी नहीं बनी. ओके. तो जो रोल था वो जो उन्होंने मुझे जो सीन करने को दिया था वो था जो डाइनिंग टेबल पे होता है जहां मैं नशवा को सीट यूं करके थोड़ी सी धमकी देता हूँ कि अगर तुम मेरा मान नहीं रखोगी तो मैं भी तुम पे भरोसा करना छोड़ दूंगा. एंड गर्मी थी बहुत कराची में. आई सेड ओह माय गॉड, आई मीन पहला सीन इसने तो मेरी माँ बहन ही कर दी भाई. आई मीन अब वो 6 पेज का सीन और ये वो. And for 2 days, they didn't call me on the set.
They didn't?
No.
Okay.
So I said, मैं तो गया. I said,
I've been fired.
I've been fired.
Yeah.
And 2 days later, he saw the rushes and he called me back and he said, you know, I didn't believe in you, but oh my God, you know. And I think he has been I would say, the best teacher so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant.
He's done a good job, and like I said, the drama is doing really well. People are taking it seriously. The character is great. So we'll come back to that. But this 30-year journey of fashion, and बीच में कहीं drama करना, acting करना, of course they're both creative fields.
Yeah.
But one, you're directing a design, and the other, you're being directed. So is it something you wanted to do, or you just had time on your hands and you were like, अच्छा ये भी कर लेते हैं? Because you've always been involved in music videos, but always from a design perspective, point of view. यहाँ तो अदाकारी करनी है, और मतलब है कि
I think मैं समझता हूँ कि अगर मैं डिज़ाइनर ना होता तो मैं अदाकार होता.
right.
और I like मैंने जब शुरू किया था I was only 19 years old. So I was very young. अभी भी जब लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि तुम कितने सालों के हो तो हैरान हो जाते हैं because my journey is so long.
Yeah.
I like taking orders from someone else.
You do?
It's kind of nice.
Okay. To take a
sit
back
there
seat and sort of...
back seat and just कि जी चाय ला दें, अच्छा कपड़े तैयार कर दो, नाड़ा नहीं डाला नाड़ा डाल दो, अच्छा सर ये पहनना है, अच्छा अंगूठियाँ ला दो, जी सर. It's kind of nice.
Right.
Because I've never worked for anyone, so I really don't know how that experience would have been. The only stint I ever did in my life was Orient when I was doing lawn with them.
Yeah.
So they would just give me a brief and I would just get it done.
Yeah.
So it's nice to take orders. It feels kind of interesting.
And you feel that there's no weight on your shoulders or no responsibility, क्योंकि ठीक है supporting role है, तो मेरे कंधों पे तो नहीं ड्रामा चलना या नहीं चलना.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं. Okay, so I've got two aspects to it. I only want to do 1 or 2 dramas in a year.
Okay.
I always finish all the campaigns early. So I know that there's no wait as far as the factory is concerned.
Right.
Then my appointments are all juggled between the drama timings and the clients. Okay. So for example, if I have to shoot the collection for Eid, I
Yeah.
will shoot it next week.
Okay.
And finish it off. And as the 6 and 8 pieces will keep on coming, I'll keep on shooting. Because I've already given dates for a new drama, which I want to do.
Okay.
And
You're already signed your next
I've already signed it, but
oh my
I
God.
can't talk about it.
Okay.
Well, God's been very kind. I've been offered about 6 plays so far.
Okay.
And I've said because of the dates and
Right.
stuff, I couldn't say dates
Right.
just to January.
Right.
So February onwards, I've committed to one more play.
Is there any like competitiveness between the 3 designers who have stepped into acting? There's you, there's HSY, Sheru, and there's YBQ. The 3 of you have come from
I didn't
fashion.
know
to-
YBQ even acted. Does he?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's
he
done.
does?
He does.
No, I think Sheru started way after me. So I would say
Yeah.
that I was the daddy who took the lead first.
Right. Certainly after.
30 years ago.
Yeah.
And I don't know whether he's continued acting or not. I have no idea.
He isn't doing anything these days.
Okay.
But yeah.
No, not at all. But वैसे भी हम हमेशा क्या कहते हैं उसको ट्रेंड सेटर ही रहें तो हो सकता है.
Of course. Do you carry that aura on set as well?
No, not at all. In fact, I'm extremely charming. I'm helpful. I think
Right.
I'm funny. I bring a lot of food for everybody to eat.
Oh, you are very hospitable. That too I
We
can
cut
say.
a lot of cakes.
हाँ.
Okay. And जितने भी दिवाली केक्स आए हुए थे वो भी वहीं चले गए. जितने भी ईद के केक्स आए हुए
Nice.
जितने केक्स आए हुए थे वो
Nice.
बहुत सारे चले गए.
Nice.
And that's about it. I like harmony.
Yeah.
I like a friendly set. Because मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा ताल्लुक नहीं है ड्रामा वालों से या फिल्म वालों से.
Right. Music वालों से है, of course.
Music वालों
but
से है.
हाँ.
तो मैं तो लोगों को जानता भी नहीं हूँ जब मैं सेट पे जाता हूँ.
Do you like the merger of television and fashion that has happened over the last 10 years, let's say?
I think it was bound to happen
Yeah.
because your fashion weeks are gone. You don't have so many films coming out. So the small screen stars have become the big stars.
Yeah.
And they have now become the brand, the face of many brands.
Right.
And it was only natural. So the same way when we look at even Lux,
Yeah.
if you remember 30 years ago when we started out with Lux, there was more focus on the film
Film star.
or the film star.
Yeah.
If there were no film stars,
They ran out of film stars.
they ran out of film stars. Then models became the
They
film
didn't
stars.
run out of colors, but they ran out of film stars. Yeah.
Then the models became the film stars,
Yeah.
like the Amna Haq on the cover, on the billboard.
Ramna Haq was also a TV star as well. And,
मतलब
हाँ.
लेकिन मॉडल ज्यादा थे.
Yeah, models are
तो देन अब अगर हम पिछले 20 साल देख रहे हैं या 15 साल देख रहे हैं वो फिल्में अभी भी कम हैं और ड्रामे बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, तो these guys are the new stars.
Right. Fashion designers have, I don't know whether infamous for being elitist. And hey, fashion is elitist. You'd agree, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And you have to be a certain kind. And television is not. It's very it's a mass medium. It's very democratic. So what part of yourself did you feel you had to change for television, or do you have to mellow down? Do you think you've become more diplomatic because you were known as the bad boy of fashion and you were very outspoken and you were also very, क्या कहते हैं इसको, politically incorrect at times?
I think we all grow up at the age. I think we all grow up at the age. I
Yeah.
also feel that at that time, fashion needed a voice.
Yeah.
Fashion needed a certain kind of a bad boy or a bad auntie, for that matter. To
We have
say
a couple of those as well. Yeah.
to have that voice.
Unless you're referring to me.
No.
Okay.
And fashion is elitist. I mean,
It
that
is.
is not just now. That's
Yeah.
globally all over the world.
Yeah.
Okay. If the designer didn't have the personality, you wouldn't buy the designer.
Absolutely.
Right.
The brand. Yeah.
A brand. And all brands put themselves in different markets. Some choose to be in the higher markets and some choose to be in the middle and the lower markets.
Yeah.
Okay. All markets make tons of money.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not even the point. In fact, I feel that the mid markets and the lower markets make far more
Bilkul.
than the higher ones.
Bilkul.
Because the trickle down effect of the copy sells far more
Bilkul.
than the original.
Yeah.
So I think in those days, fashion needed a voice, and there was none. When we started the Fashion Week, there was no voice, and they needed maybe someone like me to have that voice to take them all forward. Even अभी भी जब मैं डिजाइनर से मिलता हूँ तो वही कंप्लेंट आती है, खुदा के लिए कुछ आप कर लें. तो मैं हमेशा यही कहता हूँ कि मैं ही बैठा हूँ सारी गालियाँ खाने के लिए, मैं ही क्यों कर लूँ, तुम लोग कुछ कर लो. So it all depends on leaders and followers, I would
You
feel.
don't feel that the new generation has names that would actually take Pakistani fashion forward?
It's not that kind of foresight. I think you have to have a big heart to take everyone forward.
Right.
I think that's very important. When you, for example, let's look at today's scenario, you have to pay so much
Yeah.
from designer to models to photographers to coordinators to stylists to get your brand noticed. Okay, while everyone is playing the Instagram or the Google ads or the Facebook or
Bilkul.
right. But in those days, let's just look at only 8 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay, there you were senior designer opening, senior designer closing, and you found a new talent. You put him smack in the middle.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, there were overnight stars. And paying what? Nothing. 50,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So look at the actual chunk that or talent that you were discovering in those days, and how much hunt that you have to do now to find talent, and how that talent has to pay the kind of money that they have to
That's
spend
the thing, yeah.
to sustain
Yeah,
themselves.
absolutely. The price is much higher and the
Way
stakes are
higher.
higher. Absolutely.
Way higher.
Absolutely.
Okay? Especially on digital media where everything is over in 24 hours.
Do you think it's easier now or is it tougher now?
I think it's extremely tough.
Tough, right.
I think extreme originality and extreme different kind of ad campaigns and campaigns that are completely off the hook are the ones that get noticed. While you've now gotten so used to sitting in your car and just browsing,
Yeah.
half of the stuff you won't even notice.
Absolutely.
anymore.
And you
Sorry.
don't. You don't notice and it's very forgettable.
It is very forgettable.
And you forget about it.
Right.
Absolutely.
So I think that if that lead was taken back today, then those young designers also need a voice.
Yeah.
Okay, or someone to lead them for that matter. Okay, to take the whole thing forward and create something new. And fine, social media might have given us a platform as an exposure,
Right.
but not everybody can afford it.
Do you think that television productions and television stars also, do they need design counseling or help?
They all definitely need help.
They do, right?
If they didn't need help, why would they have stylists who come with them?
But are those stylists doing a good job? I ask because a lot of times when I watch an average of 12 to 13 dramas a week, I don't know how many you've watched.
No, I only watch myself on this drama.
That is fine. That is fine. But also, especially when they're portraying the rich, the lifestyles of the rich and famous or the elite class, they can't handle it. और बहुत दफा हमने ये कहा है कि यार अमीर लोग ऐसे नहीं रहते या ऐसे कॉफी नहीं पीते या ये नहीं पोर्ट्रे कर पाते. So as a designer, do you feel that merger needs to happen?
I think it's a very important question to ask. let's take Jumna's look in our drama.
Yeah.
And it's extremely natural.
Yeah.
So she's got 3 stylists who are behind her constantly.
Okay.
Okay. There are these 2 kids, one does hair, one does makeup, and one does clothes. Okay. And I actually think that they've nailed it because her look is completely ordinary, the way it should be.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
There's nothing out of place.
No.
Okay. If she's got a little sweat or baal chipak gaye, to it's there. It's not being removed to say. And I've seen them interrupting in the middle of the scene sometimes, and it's kind of irritating.
Yeah.
But when you see the final product,
Yeah.
they've gotten it right.
They've got her uniform right.
Yeah.
They've got her day wear right. She's not overly blow dried or made up or false
Now,
eyelashes.
as far as your question about the other part is concerned,
Yeah.
that it's like wearing luxury. If you haven't worn luxury, you wouldn't know what luxury really is.
Yeah.
Right? So
But when you're showing luxury on television, you should know what it...
then the game is of the director.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, the director must be able to pinpoint.
Yeah.
Okay, like in this case, I'm not going to mention any names, but in a couple of other dramas, our director was not even interested on how the table should be set.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, and I've set the table in every drama that I have done.
That's exactly what I was aiming at. That do you bring your expertise to the table, pun
I normally
intended.
keep quiet about it.
Okay, you do.
Okay, I try to.
How tough is
Right?
that?
But in this drama, yes, I've set the table.
Yeah, because you've set the table.
Yeah, because I like a napkin on my lap, so everybody should have a
Right,
napkin.
and they're a rich family.
Yeah. So all the china was taken out, yes.
Okay, and the napkin was laid out.
And the napkin was given, otherwise I refused to eat.
And you know the rich man's table जिसपे double roti की एक layer मतलब पूरा stack हुआ होता है और orange juice का एक बड़ा सा mug
वो
होता
हर
है
ड्रामे में
वो हर ड्रामे में होता
नहीं, इसमें एक्चुअली खाना है.
है हाँ
If you
मैंने नोट
notice-
किया मैंने किया नोट
इसमें प्रॉपर खाना है.
they
इसमें-
don't have the typical hum TV
No,
biryani and charga and you know
No. Chinese खाना, अपना, what do you call it, कढ़ाई, शढ़ाई, मुर्गी,
Yeah.
chicken, इसमें सब कुछ है.
right
Okay? And that credit goes to the director.
yeah
Because Saqib Khan does not like to do what other dramas or directors would like to do. He will turn around and say, no, it has to be real. And he forces us. You cannot pretend
Bless you.
not to eat. You
Right.
have to eat.
right
So if you have to eat, then it better be good.
yeah
And that's the way it is.
हाँ it sounds like a fun set by the way
Oh yeah, great fun. Great
हाँ
fun.
होगी recording खत्म
I
filming
think
खत्म हो गई या अभी हो रही है
खत्म हो चुकी है.
Yeah.
I've got one scene to go, which I think I'm going to shoot in February. But other than that, we're done.
You're done.
Yeah, we're
and how
done.
many days were you on set?
I was originally asked to be there for 24 days, but I
Okay.
did 34 days.
34 days.
Yeah.
Nice. Not bad.
Like I said, attention to detailing.
Yeah.
The guy doesn't leave you unless he gets a job done.
Good.
Yeah.
That's excellent. And it shows.
It shows.
It shows, absolutely.
It even shows in the small scenes and the
It
framing.
does. It does.
shows.
It does. It
Yeah.
does. But Deepak, as an I'd call you an outsider in the TV industry. Why are you smiling?
No, I am an outsider.
You are an outsider.
Yeah, yeah.
As an outsider in the TV industry, do you think it's a fair system? I know that you come with a lot of, what should I say, not entitlement, but you come with a lot of like, wait, you're Deepak Parwani. Nobody's going to mess with you.
No.
People will treat you right on set. People will pay you properly. I know that you are one of the highest paid supporting actors in the industry right now. And you will be paid on time. Nobody's going to mess with you. So you walk in with that, right? But it's not like that for everybody else. There could be supporting actors in your cast who are not dealt with as sort of generously as you are.
Well, then we would say that we are privileged, right?
Yeah.
I mean, chalo. If you're privileged, you're privileged. But I've worked with, I think most of my dramas I've done with Hum TV or with M&D or with Momna Duraiz or Mahesh or these guys. So I've never had any issues. In fact, I've never had any issues with payments with anybody. I've done a play with ARY also back in the days. I've done Nina Kashif's new.
Right.
I did a cameo. I'm playing the hockey player's father.
Okay.
It's very interesting.
Okay.
Very cool drama to watch. I think it's on TapMad.
On TapMad,
Yeah.
okay.
And boom. The day I finished work, they paid me. I mean, brilliant.
I mentioned
So-
this to somebody that, and he said, oh, he's Deepak Parwani, unke saath, unko kaun nahi karega phir. But that's unfair. But that's not your fault. It's not your fault. But do you notice, like, is it like a very sort of a smooth run on set?
But
or-
no, my co-star, we had this conversation. My co-star also, Salma, also said she gets paid on time.
Okay, that's good to know.
Sakina Appa was leaving for London.
Right.
She got paid on time.
Right.
I remember this.
That's encouraging to hear that, you know.
I mean, at least on our set,
Yeah.
I've not seen any kind of like where someone's complained or anything of that sort. In fact, our checks were coming in while we were shooting.
No, I only asked because this
कि
was...
2 महीने हो गए, ये ले
हाँ,
लें, और
this
1
was
महीना हो
recently
गया.
a big conversation. कि, you know,
I
नहीं
think
पैसे
I don't think
time
it
पे
depends. I think it
मिलते.
depends from production house to production house to production house.
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it also depends, like you said, the weight of the artist.
Yeah.
I think it also depends on the relationship or the frequency. In Pakistan, everything is about the relationship or the
Yeah,
frequency
yeah.
of the artist with the producers. Then these things I think matter a lot. But I think overall, अगर हम ये कहें कि और मैं सबके से वाउच नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन overall मैं कहूँगा कि the cycle is not as vicious as we probably think.
अच्छा.
Because I was talking to Tara the other day, and she said, हाँ 1 महीना कभी-कभी पेमेंट रुक जाती है, but सारी पेमेंट्स आ जाती
हो
हैं.
जाती हैं.
Yeah.
And do you notice any difference in technology or the way work is done from मेरे पास to...
Now,
Yeah.
of course, look at the new cool lights and look at the camera
हाँ,
work.
है
and,
ना, these things are...
And,
I mean, technology though was bound to improve, obviously. It had
and
to.
this guy shoots on a very cool camera, so
Okay.
yeah.
Alexa?
Alexa. And lots of
Really?
other cameras that come in and go.
Right.
Yeah. Like the fast scenes are shot on some other camera. There's some camera जो गर्म हो जाती है, वो भी आती है. उस पे सिर्फ कुछ scenes हो सकते हैं. Yeah, he uses a lot of cameras.
Okay, nice.
It's not one camera that he
Nice.
shoots on.
Nice.
Yeah.
So it shows. Technology shows. वो तो होना ही था. But you think the culture has changed as well?
Yeah, I think the culture's changed. I think people are far more open. I
Okay.
think the subject matter is more interesting
Right.
now than it ever was.
Right.
तो somehow मुझे जो रोल मिलते हैं थोड़े खतरनाक किस्म में मिलते हैं, by the way. Even
नहीं, यूं ही में तो बहुत cute role था.
रो के बुरा हाल था, वो बाप सिर्फ पाँव पे गिरा हुआ सिर्फ रो ही रहा था. रो ले भाई, रो ले जितना रो.
That must have been really tough for you.
That was the first scene they gave me to do.
You really?
The first scene,
Yeah.
first day, first show. जाके गिर जाओ भाई उसके पाँव में.
हाँ.
But I remember this very controversial drama, which was called Sauteli, with Sanam Said.
Yeah.
Okay, and there's a scene in there, which I don't know how it even went through the censors, but Sanam, who's my daughter, hates me so much that she drugs me, and then I wake up in a flat in Seaview,
Okay.
and there's a girl sitting in a corner claiming that I had raped her,
Okay.
and I'm the father, and I'm like, what are you people talking about?
Huh.
I don't remember anything. Okay, and my own daughter accuses me of it,
Interesting.
and I don't know how it even
सौतेली होती है ना इसलिए.
हाँ?
सौतेली होती है.
सौतेली होती है.
हाँ.
And I don't know how it even went through or got through. But मुझे जो मेरे ख्याल में रोल्स आज तक मिले हैं वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग मिले हैं.
नहीं सारे interesting है. Exactly. You mean it wasn't that interesting, but it was still not bad. It was like
Just a battered father
Yeah.
who's come from वो
बेचारा सा बाप.
वो अमेरिका से आ तो जाता है,
हाँ.
लेकिन उसको जाते भी नहीं दिखाते. जाते उस बेचारे को मार देते हैं हमेशा.
मार देते हैं.
So
नहीं मरता तो नहीं है लेकिन उसमें.
So I was going to Delhi
Yeah.
6 months ago, and via the Wagah border, because my mother wanted to see the temple, the Golden Temple Amritsar. So जब वो checking हो गई और पोलियो का कार्ड उसने देख लिया तो मुझे कहती है, मैं आपको जानती हूँ, लेकिन मैंने कहा शुक्रिया जी, मैंने आपके ड्रामे देखे हैं, जो औरतें होती हैं वो पोलियो. तो मैंने कहा शुक्रिया. कहती मुझे एक बात बताए, आपको हर ड्रामे में मार क्यों देते हैं? आपको हमेशा हार्ट अटैक हो जाता है? मैंने कहा फिक्र न करें, इस दफे ब्रेन ट्यूमर हुआ है.
Yeah, लेकिन you don't die.
You don't die.
You don't die in UAE. No, you don't die in UAE.
But yeah, उस पे एक बात याद आई कि ड्रामे का एक पावर है.
Of course.
You know, I got recognized in a store in Jaipur.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
And that woman didn't say anything to me.
Huh.
And then I got a message on my Instagram. She said, I saw you in the sari store. Are you the same person? I said, yes, I am.
Huh. That is the power of Pakistani.
Power of Pakistani
absolutely,
drama.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. ये तो है. And coming to Jaipur and everything, Deepak, how is life nowadays? Things have changed in Pakistan as well. Life in Karachi isn't the same as it was in the 70s and 80s. Do you feel the pressure of being minority? But of course, you come with privilege. Over the years, how would you think things have changed?
I think our lives are the same as every other privileged
No,
Pakistani.
but looking at other people, other minority figures around you, for them, right? No, don't talk about yourself because you come from a place of privilege.
अब तो मैं सोच रहा था कि 15 साल पहले भाग ही जाते।
मौका था भागने का?
मौका तो हमेशा होता है। था।
हाँ।
अब जिंदगी गुजर गई, अब क्या भागना। बट अगर जिंदगी वहाँ देखें और जिंदगी यहाँ देखें, प्रिविलेज की बात नहीं है इसमें, ठीक है। हर इंसान बराबर ही होता है और उसकी ज़िंदगी बराबर ही होती है। आई थिंक देव गॉट इट बेटर। खुशी है वहाँ पर, लोग मुस्कुराते हैं, हंसते हैं। औरतें रोडों पे चलती हैं, साइकिलें चलाती हैं, मोटरसाइकिलें चलाती हैं, रिक्शे चलते हैं। रिक्शे वाले के पास भी ऊबर है और पानी पूरी वाले के पास भी टैप है। इट्स फार मोर डायनामिक। ओके, पेवमेंट्स हैं, फुटपाथ हैं, पार्क्स हैं।
ये हकीकत है। दिस इज रियलिटी।
ओके, जो रियलिटी है।
Absolutely.
कंक्रीट जंगल नहीं है।
Yeah.
यू नो, बात अमीर या गरीब की नहीं होती। बात होती है कि एक इंसान को रहने के लिए एक माहौल, एक जगह, एक फिजा होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। एंड शुक्र है कि लाहौर में ये सब कुछ है, क्योंकि आर्किटेक्चरली लाहौर वाज बिल्ट लाइक दैट, राइट। और कराची में नहीं है आपके पास। अगर है भी तो वो बंद पड़े हुए। अगर है भी तो आप लेडीज के बगैर नहीं जा सकते।
नहीं, पार्क्स में नहीं जा सकते।
मतलब आप कहाँ जा सकते? इमेजिन। तो उस हिसाब से अगर देखा जाए तो बड़ी खुली फिजा वाली जिंदगी थी। और मजा आया रंग देख के, बहुत रंग देखे। रंग ही रंग थे।
हम कहाँ की बात कर रहे हैं?
जयपुर में बड़े रंग थे, जोधपुर में बड़े रंग थे। ओके, उनका कलर सेंस ही कोई बड़ा डिफरेंट है। वहाँ जाओ तो खाली चुनरी पहनते हैं, वहाँ जाओ तो खाली बांधनी पहनी जाती है। और and the fashion is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous.
It is.
मजा आ गया।
Yeah, absolutely.
मजा आ गया।
Yeah.
And जो मुझे और एज अ डिज़ाइनर आपको भी यही शौक है, मैं कहूँगा कि एज अ डिज़ाइनर या एज एन आर्टिस्ट या एज अ you want to see architecture, you want to see culture,
You want to see art.
you want to see art, you want to see beautiful things,
You want to see good design,
you want to see everything renovated,
vibrance
and vibrancy.
Yeah.
It was all there. It was all there.
Yeah.
And you felt kind of disappointed because आप वहाँ बैठे हुए देख रहे हैं कि यार इतने गोरे भरे हुए इन शहरों के अंदर, और वो सब यहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन ले रहे हैं,
टूरिज्म उनकी थ्राइव कर रही है,
और यहाँ से ब्लॉक प्रिंट बनवा रहे हैं, यहाँ से चादरें लेके जा रहे हैं, यहाँ से एंटीक लेके जा रहे हैं, सब कुछ यहीं से लेके जा रहे हैं, और हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
Yeah.
So it's a bit,
bittersweet.
I wrote it on my Facebook. I wrote a long thing on it.
Yeah.
Okay, and
this was on your last trip to Jaipur.
Last trip. And then you come to Karachi, which had its own mood, its own culture, and you go to Sadr, and you go to Zemusa Street and Elphinstone Street, and you see all those beautiful, gorgeous, dilapidated buildings, and your heart goes into your mouth, and you say, "Oh my God,
what have we done?
What have we done?"
Yeah.
So.
And what does one need to survive in Karachi today?
Power.
तो आप कर रहे हैं ना यार, डिजाइन कर रहे हैं आप. Can I mention this new project that you have?
Karachi? Look at Karachi.
No, can I mention the new project that you have?
Not at all. देखो मेरी बात सुनो. What does one eat Karachi? मुझे बात बताओ. क्या है कराची में? ठीक है. पानी आप अपना मंगवाती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
गैस के सिलेंडर आपने पीछे रखे हुए हैं.
जी.
अभी चाय बन रही तो मैं देख के आया हूँ.
जी.
ठीक है.
जी.
गार्ड आपका अपना.
जी.
ओके.
जी.
गाड़ी अपनी, ड्राइवर अपना.
जी. बिजली के आपने जनरेटर रखे हुए हैं.
बिजली का आपका जनरेटर, और मैंने सोलर पे रूफ पे लगाया हुआ है.
जी. तो
क्या मिल रहा है आपको?
सिक्योरिटी है नहीं आपके पास, सड़क पे आप चल नहीं सकते.
क्या मिल रहा है?
ऐसा ही है. बड़ी सैड कॉन्वर्सेशन होती जा रही है.
कम ऑन.
हाँ.
आप यहाँ से निकल नहीं सकती.
मगर यार आप होली करेंगे ना?
हाँ.
बीच पे तो बस
कोशिश करेंगे. हमारा तो ये हाल है कि हम बड़ी खूबसूरत, मैं जिस गली में रहता हूँ वो तो बड़ी खूबसूरत गली है, ठीक है ना. और हम क्या कहते हैं, रेजिडेंट्स से मिलके वो खूबसूरत बना भी दी है. राइट. शाम को वहाँ सब लोग वॉक करते हैं. मतलब उस खयाबान से भी लोग आते हैं, वहाँ से भी आते हैं, वहाँ से भी आते हैं, हर जगह से लोग आते हैं वॉक करने के लिए. ओके. और फिर भी जो है अंकल और आंटियां के पीछे गार्ड चल रहे होते हैं खामखाई के सिक्योरिटी के लिए,
या गनमैन चल रहे होते हैं. वो है
तो क्या जिंदगी है वो? अपने अपने छोटे महलों में हम रह रहे हैं. क्या बबल्स. बिल्कुल बंटी बबली की तरह.
बंटी बबली का बबल तो बड़ा वो था, exciting bubble था.
Now talk about my two dogs, Bunty and Bubbly.
Okay, you have dogs named Bunty and Bubbly?
I have two pugs called Bunty and Bubbly.
Okay.
They're called Bunty and Bubbly Parvani.
When did you get them?
Got them 2 years ago.
Okay, another naughty question I have for you is that आपकी अंग्रेजी बड़ी अच्छी है, आप अच्छा बोलते हैं. आपको बोलना आता है, आपको आपकी अंग्रेजी बहुत अच्छी है, आपकी उर्दू बहुत अच्छी है, आप सिंधी आपने बोली उसके अंदर।
जी
ड्रामे में बड़ा मजा आया।
मेरा आइडिया था, by the way.
Really?
Yeah.
It was so much fun to hear. I was like, okay, this is great. You know, somebody.
I wanted to say it.
And Sakina also speaks and
Sindhi.
yeah. So there was such a good effect, you know, कि यार कोई अपनी जुबान बोल रहा है और जुबान बोलनी आती है, and it's not, you know. लेकिन जब हमारे ड्रामा में लोग अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, खासतौर पे कोई कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे हों जो बाहर से आए हों, वो अंग्रेजी ना सही बोल पा रहे हों, तो यूं ही में we noticed that. I mean, did you not feel like correcting the language? And I ask this in a very earnest way. I don't mean to be mean or anything, but it's just that it takes away from the production quality when you see a character that is foreign
मैंने
return.
क्या कहा था तुम्हें? Okay, सारी गेम डायरेक्टर की होती है।
अच्छा,
ठीक है ना, आप डायरेक्टर से कहते हैं, आप डायरेक्टर से बातें करते
so
हैं।
you're a director's actor. मैं पंगा ही नहीं लूंगा, मैं कुछ नहीं कहूंगा।
मैं एक चीज पे
मेज ठीक करा दी थी।
मैंने एक कमेंट मैं करूंगा जो मैंने किया था उस
जी।
मैंने जाके कहा था डायरेक्टर साहब को, मैंने कहा सर मेरी एक बात सुने, सिर्फ इंडिया और पाकिस्तान में टॉयलेट कहते हैं,
जी,
ठीक है,
कन्वेंस,
जो अमेरिकन होते हैं वो लू कहते हैं या बाथरूम कहते हैं,
जी,
ठीक है ना, आप जरा स्क्रिप्ट को देख लें। उन्होंने कहा था नहीं बस ऐसा ही होगा, तो फिर ऐसे ही होगा।
फिर आपने समझ लिया कि ये बात नहीं सुनी जाएगी।
मतलब अगर वो खुद ही नहीं उसको करना चाहते या बात नहीं सुनना चाह रहे हैं, तो फिर मैं तो एक्टर हूँ, मैं तो अपना रोल करके चला जाऊंगा।
Right.
अमरीकी
तो
डैडी का
कई ऐसे वर्ड से टर्मिनोलॉजी, जैसे कन्वेंस कोई नहीं कहता।
कोई नहीं कहता।
नहीं, यूएस रिटर्न तो कोई कन्वेंस नहीं कहेगा।
US returns have a slang and a language.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care. Or something or the other, something stupid like that.
Right.
So you should, if you get a script, get someone to Americanize the script a little bit.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Or bastardize the script, like somebody would say. Okay. Into that language.
Yeah.
That's very, very important. Okay. Because आप जैसे लोग यहाँ जो ऑडियंस है, आज की ऑडियंस इतनी कोई स्मार्ट है,
Absolutely.
इतनी स्मार्ट है,
And
they
you
catch
have-
on everything.
And you have a huge expat community watching. It's not just a Pakistani mass audience. It's
They
like
did not
the
take
dias-
very well to.
No, they couldn't have.
Yeah, they couldn't
Even
have.
the opening scene when you arrive at the airport, not just but just for an actor or character to say that, oh, daddy, he's a terrorist, and मैंने कहा हम किस सदी में चलेंगे?
Achha, I did argue that also.
Yeah.
But trust me, my arguments didn't work. I argued a lot in that.
Yeah,
scene.
I find it very difficult to believe that you didn't argue.
But I played, the first part is mine. Okay, Beta, he looks like a taxi driver. That I added. Because कोई funny बात कहते हैं यार, हमने land किया, कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ.
तो 2-3 चीजें उसमें हमने ऐड करने की कोशिश की थी.
Right.
इसमें मैंने ऐड की हैं. और मुझे नहीं करनी थी गई. लेकिन बड़ी मुश्किल से मैंने ऐड करवा दी है।
Right.
2-3
Because
लाइनें।
मुझे देखते हुए दिल चाहता है, and we're in also part of the industry, we want to see it get better and better. तो जब कोई तलफ़्फ़ुज़ ही ठीक नहीं होता, उर्दू बोलने का उर्दू वाला नहीं है, if you didn't know how to speak Sindhi, then the Sindhis would be, you know, what is he saying? Absolutely.
You know, last night I got a message on my phone.
हाँ.
ऑडियंस इतनी स्मार्ट है, इतनी इनक्रेडिबल ऑडियंस है।
Yeah, absolutely.
ओके, उसमें किसी ने कमेंट लिखा है कि अगर उसने फोन डिलीट कर दिया था, ओके, वीडियो डिलीट कर दिए थे, तो फिर बड़े अब्बू ने कैसे रिट्रीव किए? I was just like, wow, man, look at this comment.
And you went to say deleted files में होते हैं।
होते हैं। Then somebody said, no, इसमें लिखा हुआ है, रिट्रीव किए होंगे। इतना तो मैंने भी नहीं सोचा था भाई।
मैंने सोचा सीन देखते ही।
सोचा था?
हाँ। मैंने कहा बड़े अब्बू बड़े कूल हैं कि he's gone to the retrieve files और वहाँ देखे हैं, because वो वहाँ पे erase करने
होते हैं ना।
iPhone में
अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था इतना।
Okay.
मतलब I just thought कि audience would not catch that.
No. We review dramas and audience comes back and they tell us things that आपने ये notice ही नहीं किया. You're not watching it properly. You know, आप तो ध्यान से देख ही नहीं रहे. कहा अरे भाई, जैसे मेरा एक रिकरिंग सवाल है, let's come to कर्ज़े जान. एक मेरा बार बार एक सवाल उठता है कि जो नशवा का कैरेक्टर है, उसको पता है कि बड़े अब्बू इज अ हरासर और वो माँ को हरास करता है. पता है कि नहीं पता?
नहीं पता.
नहीं पता उसको. मगर जब माँ पहली दफा आती है, जब वो बनियान पहन के खड़े होते हैं बड़े अब्बू, फैशन डिजाइनर दीपक विवानी, टेलर-मेड शलवार विद द नाड़ा एंड
पहले तो मैं समझा
I loved it.
I swear to you, पहले तो मैं समझा कि ये सीट शर्ट के बगैर होने वाला है.
ओए
तो मैंने डैडी साहब से कहा, मैं कहा मैं जरा क्लिपिंग श्रिपिंग करवा लूं, जरा मैं थोड़े बाल ज्यादा है. मुझे क्या पता था कि मतलब जब इंसान
अच्छा, you were ready to go shirtless.
बिकॉज़ जब इंसान बनियान ना पहने, I normally don't wear a vest, right? So I wasn't thinking about it.
Yeah.
So इसलिए नहीं आपको बनियान पहनी है, रिलैक्स हो जाए. अच्छा, फिर बनियान ना मिले मेरे साइज की. पूरा चेहरा छाना गया.
What do you mean?
Okay, मतलब कि I wanted to wear a slightly loose बनियान and
अच्छा, okay.
थोड़ा पेट से निकला हुआ था. And I was like, मैं क्या करूँ?
But that was a character, yeah.
And so my, of course, superstar driver went to Gizri and from one of the Pathan stores got a
okay,
बनियान.
हो ही नहीं सकता ना मिले बनियान. हाँ.
मिल गई बनियान. पहना दी, उन्होंने सेट कर दिया. When you know, one thing that comes naturally to me, if I want to touch someone, I know that I'm very comfortable touching people, right? So you know, you have that natural
What a thing to say.
not touching that way, but
No, I know.
like a friendly gesture.
I know, I'm just wondering if somebody took that out of context and put
No,
that
no,
in a
no.
meme or something.
Okay, so when they asked me to do the scene, I was just like, okay, I could do this.
Yeah.
Because I know Tazeen, so it's all right. I can do this.
Yeah.
Tazeen, do you mind? She said, no. I said, okay, let's do it.
Huh.
So it was that easy.
Yeah.
Okay. And because
Also, Tazeen is easy to work with, and
she's
you know,
a brilliant actor.
exactly.
Brilliant actor.
Yeah.
Yuhi, she worked with me also.
Yeah,
She's
absolutely.
brilliant.
बिल्कुल.
तो वो बड़ा आसान हो गया scene करना. Okay. And of course, I went a bit overboard with it because that was a requirement of the scene also. But पूरे play में, he's not sleazy. He's not like coming on to her, if that's what you guys
But
are
he's got
thinking.
the hots for her.
It's more of control, of submission, rather than hotness. Does that make any sense to you?
Yeah, of course. The power play. Everything
it's a power
is
play.
everything is power play.
Yeah, it's a power play.
Yeah.
It's more of that.
It's not that he's like attracted to her or he's got the hots for her. वो नहीं है.
नहीं, वो नहीं.
अच्छा वो जो 2000 अच्छा
I can't reveal so much.
नो बट ये तो हो गया ना सीन.
हो गया,
ये तो
हाँ,
हो गया. जो वो 2000 रुपए फेंकता है, इस पे भी मेरी और हसन की बड़ी बहस हुई. मैंने कहा वो तो उसको नीचा दिखाने के लिए कहता है. तो उसने कहा कि आजकल के डे एंड एज में 2000 के कौन से कपड़े आते हैं. आई थॉट एटलीस्ट दीपक पवानी वुड नो दिस. मैंने कहा
I tried giving 10,000 रुपए. I was told no.
Okay.
आपको 2,000 ही देने, आप बात नहीं समझ रहे.
हाँ.
Okay, the director's vision.
Yeah.
So I gave 2,000. You heard nothing. My entire, मेरे सारे नौकरों ने मुझे मैसेज भेजे एक दूसरे के. सर वो वाला नौकर कह रहा है कि दीपक साहब को बोले 2,000 में क्या आता है आजकल के ज़माने में.
Exactly.
सबने ये बात की है.
सबने ये सीन देखा.
But like you said,
Yeah.
you said it rightly. कि it was all about power play,
Yeah.
submission. Okay.
उसको नीचा दिखाने
उसको
के लिए.
नीचा
To
दिखाने
keep her in
के लिए.
place.
Okay. जब उसके बाद वो अपनी बीवी को भी नीचा दिखाता है, जहाँ वो कहता है कि तुम्हारे डिजाइनर छलमिल डिजाइनर कपड़े तो वो नहीं पहनेगी ना.
Yeah.
ओके. एंड बीवी भी देख रही है कि सिर्फ 2,000 रुपए दिए हैं. शी इज नॉट इवन कमेंटिंग ऑन इट
No.
कि आप 2,000 रुपए कैसे दे सकते हैं, 2,000 में क्या आ जाता
No,
है.
no, she's just happy that she's getting the brunt of Maji.
माजी.
Maji's focuses on Bisma.
Yeah.
And not on Bibi.
No, not at all.
Yeah, exactly. So that was a fun scene. It was a good scene. But I kept thinking that does Nashwa know? Because when she comes back, Bisma comes from the room, her hands are trembling, and of course she feels harassed. And it felt like Bisma knows that Bade Abu is kind of a harasser. Does she know? Does she not know?
But Abu is a very complicated personality. You know, there is also this entire thing there's a scene that we do in the Mazar Masjid, you know, in the third or the fourth episode.
Right.
Where we kind of established that he's a scammer.
Yeah.
And वही
A
मस्जिद
land grabber kind
हाँ
of.
वही वो बना देते हैं और वो आ जाती हैं.
Yeah.
उसमें एक सीन है where he turns around and says to his mother कि मैं थक गया हूँ आपकी land
तंग आ
grabbing
गया हूँ
से.
मैं आपके दिन से. हाँ.
और मेरा बिजनेस अच्छा चल रहा है, मुझे छोड़ क्यों नहीं देती. So it's also stemming the complication is stemming from the generational
Yeah.
of how their behavior is. Okay, so it also shows. I think you'll see later in the scenes where you see him in empathy, where you feel sorry for him because his mother is such a strong personality, and how she wants it all done,
Right.
as opposed to Bade Abbu,
Right.
who would have been fine being respectable.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
But she just pushes it. कि नहीं ये तो मैंने करना है, मैं इनके पैसे खाने, and then that whole dars and stuff that she does, which is like
Yeah.
wow,
It's powerful. It's good.
very powerful.
It's very done very well.
Very well.
Yeah.
So the contrast is so high between the two personalities. It really shows what's happening in Pakistan. Okay, do you really preach what you pray, or you
And
know?
of course not.
You don't.
But of course not.
So it is that story at the end of the day.
Yeah. But khair, that was a really interesting scene, and we were like, you know, Hassan was like, you know, this is when a man is most vulnerable in his shalwar and banyan. I said, I'll ask you, did you feel vulnerable? No. Not at
I
all.
am.
No, yeah, not at all.
I mean, come on, we are coming from fashion.
Exactly.
We are very used to taking our clothes off at the back and changing and coming.
बिल्कुल.
तो हमें तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं
हमें नहीं
पड़ता.
फर्क पड़ता.
बिल्कुल.
Another interesting scene, of course, was your entire meltdown with Amar.
The one
और
take.
जब पहली दफा नहीं पहले was that one take in the
Yeah,
bedroom?
It's one take.
When you come in and you start like beating him
one
up.
take.
Were those thappas and mimed or did you
No,
actually?
real.
You actually hit him.
Yeah. I've hit him throughout.
बेचारा निमार.
उसको वार्न कर दिया गया था कि ऐसे मुझे मज़ा नहीं आएगा और मुझे ऐसे मारना नहीं आता.
हाँ.
तो इवन आई थिंक कदूरत में भी मैंने सनम सईद को थप्पड़ मारा था.
अच्छा.
लेकिन मसला ये होगा वो निशान नहीं जा रहे थे. मुझे गालियाँ सुननी पड़ी 2 घंटे.
Okay.
Because the पंजा got just stuck here.
Oh God.
But I told him कि otherwise मज़ा नहीं आएगा. You know, you need that centrifugal force coming back at you.
Okay.
You know, when you hit someone.
Yeah.
So we did the whole scene in 2 takes. Like we did the first take, but he went out of the frame. So I said, look, come on, let's do it again. तो सर आपने मुझे बहुत मारा है, दूसरे वाले में कम मारिएगा. This was the कम मारिए वाला.
This was कम मारी है
Yeah,
वाला.
one take. Because I told him I'm going to do this whole scene in 1 take, otherwise I will not do the scene.
I mean, he's a very brave boy because you're a big man and
He's a
I'm
good
sure
actor.
you pack a punch.
Yeah, and he's a good actor.
He's a good actor.
Yeah.
I mean, he's become a good actor. He wasn't so good in his first drama, but this one he's really performing well.
I think he's done it.
He's done it, absolutely.
He's
His
extremely powerful.
anxiety and his, frustration and even his negativity is all really, it's really well performed.
And the way they show him
हाँ.
when Nashwa is sitting here and he's in the balcony exercising and
Oh, that
scary,
was
like he's fantastic.
It's a good scene. That was a
Very
good scene.
good, very
Acha,
good.
so you actually hit the poor boy.
Yeah. Even Abhi bhi, इस वाले
How
episode
many
मैंने मारा है.
times while performing this did you accidentally say the F word? Or the Che word?
No, I only said once.
You must have said it.
One.
निकल
जब
आया
मैंने
होगा.
realize किया था.
निकल आया होगा.
हाँ तो उन्होंने कहा हम बीप कर देंगे.
हाँ.
Okay.
And they did beep it.
They
एक दफा तो
beeped
beep
it.
भी किया
नहीं,
था.
नहीं, but हमारा प्रोग्राम था because I was so pumped up.
That's what I thought.
Right? अच्छा एक दफा और करते हैं.
हाँ.
Like the third time.
हाँ.
Okay. Because he said, "नहीं Deepak bhai, we can take the show." I said, "No, I will only do this scene in 1 take. You don't understand. Tell your camera wala to handle the camera. Let's do this in 1 take. It'll be very interesting." So I was ready, pumped up, खून कि आजा बेटा तीसरी दफा. Let's just kick him. इसलिए बिल्कुल सी आपका सीन बिल्कुल सेट हुआ है, छोड़ दिया मैंने को छोड़ दे. Okay. Because मैं उसको कहा था तो बिस्तर से इतना फास्ट रोल होके उस तरफ ना जाना. Okay.
Okay.
वो थोड़ा पहले चला गया वो. मैं और उसको मारना था बिस्तर के ऊपर. फिर उस I was asked to roll.
भाग गया.
वो भाग गया
और
पहले.
फिर वो बेचारा जिस तरह बैठा होता है अपने सर पकड़ के he's like, just lay off man. I mean, बस कर दो.
Look,
दोबारा इस एपिसोड में भी मारा है.
वो भी रियल है.
रियल है.
हाँ. मैं समझता हूँ कि जब एक डायरेक्टर आपको एक स्पेस दे और आपको सिखाए and the beauty of Saqib also is कि Saqib is also a stage actor himself
Right.
from Napa.
Right.
Okay,
So
first
he knows
batch.
his craft, yeah.
He knows his craft. So when you get, the director who can teach you and the director who knows the kind of performance he wants out of you, then you just do the best that you can. Yeah. I keep on talking about him because I'm a huge fan of his.
Yeah.
Huge fan.
But let's talk about the script as well. I think it's also a very intelligent script.
Super.
It's a really good script, and although the writer isn't one of the known names per se, but she's done a really good job.
Rabia. Fantastic job. Okay. And I also feel that it's very important for a writer to come on the set sometimes.
Does she?
She's come twice.
Okay.
At least I've met her twice.
Okay.
Okay. And very intelligent writer.
Yeah.
She could feel, she saw. We were doing one of the dark scenes upstairs where I'm with the Maji and Sauda ho gaya hai or, and Maji's crying and all of that crap. And she saw the scene and she saw the darkness in it also. And she was like, yeah, baby, this is it.
She was happy with
She was happy with it.
Yeah, with the way it was being performed.
And guess what? I shouldn't say this, but it's inspired by a true story. There's a character like me that she knows.
Okay. But a lot of writers, they write from personal experience.
No, some very misogynist kind of a man हो जो अपनी बीवी को कहता रहता है तुम stupid हो, तुम जाहिल
तुम
हो,
बेवकूफ हो जाए
तुम बेवकूफ हो, तुम चुप हो जाओ. Okay. So there's a lot of stuff that is in this play that's coming from what she's experienced.
Right.
Yeah. which
But-
makes it such a strong
But
script.
how ironic or interesting is it कि मर्द जो है हमारे ड्रामों में और हमारी सोसाइटी में भी वो बीवी को जरूर ये कह देंगे, माँ को कभी नहीं कहेंगे,
नहीं, कभी भी नहीं, वो
कभी
हिम्मत
भी
नहीं
नहीं,
होगी।
माँ को कभी हिम्मत नहीं होगी कहने की कुछ भी। माँ जी,
वो माँ जी,
माँ जी।
I don't know, मतलब वो हमारे यहाँ एक थोड़ा सेट है, एक
हाँ।
पैटर्न थोड़ा सेट है, which we don't break at all.
No, no.
Okay, कि माँ जी से ऐसे ट्रीट करना है, बीवी को ऐसे ट्रीट करना है.
Hmm.
Okay, though I'm going out of context.
No, because when I think of Maji and then I think of your mother, and I'm like, oh my God, poles apart. How must she feel when she
Okay,
watches
so my mother
us?
came onto
Yeah.
the set, by the way.
Yeah.
My mother came on the set.
हाँ.
एक दिन पता नहीं वो गाड़ी चेंज करनी थी या कुछ आई थी, and the whole set came running to me and said, "Who is she?"
हाँ, the
I
glam.
said, "That's my mother."
Yeah.
सर कैसे हो सकता है ये, आपकी माँ कैसे हो सकती है,
हाँ.
ये तो बड़ी ग्लैमरस औरत है, ऐसे नहीं, मेरी माँ ही है भाई, फिक्र ना करो. They're all really shocked.
Renu Appa's like totally.
Yeah, you know how she is. She came in her pants and her
हाँ.
top, and she was glasses on, summer,
हाँ.
dressed for lunch or something. And even Jumna came up to me. Jumna asked me thrice. She said, "ये आपकी मम्मी है?"
ये आपकी असली मम्मी है?
I said, मेरी असली मम्मी है. She said, बड़ी glamorous है. I said, हाँ मुझे पता है.
Yeah.
So that was a lot of fun.
That
Yeah.
was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. Yumna is so much fun to work with. Such good
Very good.
energy.
You know, it's very rare to see actors who know the entire lines.
And she's one of them.
She comes prepared. In fact, there's nobody on the set who does not come prepared. Because if they don't, then you've got Saqib Khan breathing down
To deal
your
with, yeah.
neck like a dragon.
Yeah.
But everybody, okay. If you're not prepared, don't come on the set.
Right.
Okay, and that's amazing. And when she's performing, you saw the performance. I mean, the performance is phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Yeah.
Phenomenal, right? Those 3 scenes back to back, जहाँ वो एक कमरे से रोके अमार के साथ लड़ाई करके फिर
Yeah.
वापस जाती है,
Yeah.
and Sakina Appa slaps her.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so natural.
Yeah.
Okay, it's incredible. A super actor. Super. I have praise for everyone. This is one of the best.
No, but this is very worthy praise. I mean, she's just proven herself as an artist.
Yeah.
And she's so versatile. She's like a chameleon. She can change, you know.
I think she embodies the character
Totally.
that she's playing.
Totally.
And that makes you a great actor.
Yeah.
Because you forget that you're Jumna or you're Deepak or Osama.
And that's also rare in an artist, you know. She's one of those artists that gives
Yeah.
to the project as opposed to taking from it.
So, most of the artists who work on this project discuss their scenes with the director before they do the scenes.
Right.
Because sir, this does not make any sense. This is how it should be. So we all have that argument in the morning.
Right.
On almost every scene.
Almost like a reading.
Yeah.
Yeah, before
And
the
he
scene.
reads with you
Right.
before he does the scene. Everybody has to sit. One final reading. You act it out. You find your spaces. You mark your spaces and you go.
That's good.
Yeah, very good.
Systematic, yeah.
Very good.
Sounds like a fun set to be on.
No, it's a
Yeah,
lot of
yeah,
fun.
Yeah.
Okay, and Khana is always good.
Khana's always good.
Yeah.
Are you bringing Khana from home as well?
सब लेके आते हैं, मैं लेके आता हूँ. हाँ. But Khana is always good.
Khana's always good.
सिर्फ आप कह दें कि आज ये खाने का मूड है, he will just say मंगवाओ.
जरूरी है.
बस.
जरूरी है.
भाई एक एक्टर किस पे जीतता है? खाने पे तो जीतता है. ओके.
हाँ, of course.
सेट पे खाना अच्छा मिले,
Of
चाय
course,
अच्छी मिले.
of course.
बस 12 घंटे हैं.
हाँ.
तो and my production team is amazing. Anything we ask for, it arrives.
Great, that's
Without any
great.
questions.
No, it's really interesting, and right now it's at a cliffhanger because वो neighborhood में अब वापस आ गए हैं.
Now it's tapering out.
Yeah.
Before it goes boom back
Oh,
again.
will it go boom back?
Of course it's gonna
I have
go.
so many questions like Behzad की क्या mystery है? Because obviously Nashwa is not fond of her father. वो क्या background है? You know, what's happening there? And the fact that अमार पे 3 FIRs कट चुकी हैं, तो ये क्या family of offenders है? ये
ना।
है।
हाँ, हाँ।
ये सारे corrupt साले मतलब के इस type के
हैं।
लोग हैं।
हाँ.
हाँ।
बख्तियार बिल्डर है हम.
जी।
और क्या?
हाँ।
है,
बिल्कुल,
वो तो
corrupt।
दिखाया गया है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
वो दिखाया गया है.
माँ से लेके और आसिम का क्या मतलब है कि
अब आसिम वाला ट्रैक चलेगा ना, right? You got the whole Asim track because they've come back.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
And Asim's
my
bought...
daughter's wedding is in 10 days.
And this boy, Burhan, has bought back his own house.
Yes.
Just to be clear.
Yes.
Yes, right?
Yes.
And he knew who Nashwa was from day one. अब तो पता चल गया. मैं तो पहले से कह रही थी इसको पता है. That's why he's not called. That's why he calls her Miss Behzad.
मतलब थोड़ा मिस्ट्री में रखा गया है, बट ऑब्वियसली मैंने एक सीन किया था ऊपर जब मैंने कहा था कि माजी वो घर बिक गया है और या तो वकील जो है वो पागल है,
हाँ.
उन्होंने कोई खतो खिताबत ही नहीं की,
हाँ.
बस पैसे दिए, पुराना सामान पड़ा हुआ था और घर खरीद लिया उन्होंने.
And Bakhtiar has not met the wakil and he doesn't know who Burhan is.
He's met the wakil.
But he doesn't know that he's Asim's
No,
son.
he doesn't. He doesn't. Okay. I mean, I can't reveal it. I can't. But you guys will find out.
नहीं नहीं इतना तो अंदाजा भी हो गया है.
No. अभी भी आपको अंदाजा नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा. Okay. Exciting.
चलो मैं एक टिप दे दूं.
हाँ,
मैं नहीं कह सकता.
देखो बताओ दीपक, come on, give us.
I'm going to get the call from the director saying चुप हो रहा था आपने.
नहीं इतना सा तो दे ही सकते हैं. हाँ.
They don't. The reason they don't know because he's not Asim's real son. He's Asim's adopted son.
Right.
That's how the story reveals itself.
Okay.
Because in the previous episode, if you will see, वो कहती है ना कि आसिम अगर आ गया तो औलाद तो आसिम का तो औलाद ही नहीं है.
हाँ, exactly.
आसिम का सब तो नमीर को जाएगा.
हाँ, वो तो exactly.
Yeah.
मेरे को नहीं
अमार को sorry. Yeah, वही. So now you understand.
Exactly, yes. And that question did sort of.
So he had adopted a son that these people didn't know about.
Right.
And that boy is grown up to be the lawyer.
Right.
Basically.
हाँ, because obviously he can't be Nashwa's half brother. I mean, नहीं half brother तो वैसे भी नहीं होगा. वो तो cousins हैं वो तो love.
वो मेरे.
But even that would be odd, ना?
नहीं आसिम उसका कोई अफेयर नहीं चला था. They liked each other.
Yeah.
Basically तज़ीन और शादी
हाँ, I'm mixing the characters up.
Yeah. And नशवा का जो बाप है वो थोड़ा आप आगे देख लें भाई.
कितनी किस्तें हैं? Any idea how many episodes there are?
26 हैं.
26 हैं और चल भी सकती हैं, ज़्यादा भी हो सकती हैं.
हाँ.
क्योंकि यूजुअली हो जाया करती हैं.
पर अब मैं भी वही कहूँगा जो ऑडियंस कह रहा है भाई 2 किस्से चला दो एक हफ्ते.
हाँ.
Okay.
2 किस्से ना?
That 36 minutes is too less यार.
Too less भाई.
You want to see more of this.
Absolutely.
You want to, I mean,
हाँ.
because everything is on the take right now.
Yeah.
And
Mahin को भी मार दिया. That was a good scene as well.
Very good scene.
Very good scene. Tuck. She's out of the way.
जिस तरह से उसने मारा है उसको.
हाँ.
And party भी अच्छी दिखाई है.
पार्टी भी अच्छी दिखाई है.
देखो मतलब मैंने कहा.
Did you have anything to do?
No.
Okay.
मैंने सिर्फ सुबह फोन किया. When I saw the rushes.
हाँ.
मैंने फोन किया. मैंने कहा आपने मुझे बुलाया नहीं पार्टी पे.
हाँ.
आपको आना था. मैंने कहा मुझे नहीं आना था तो किसको आना था. आपने बुलाया क्यों नहीं.
Yeah.
The माहौल was very nice. मैं तो चला जाता. नाइट स्पेंड कर देता वहां पर.
हाँ, बीच पार्टी.
बीच पार्टी पे.
Yeah.
But this is what I like about him. He will, if he has to show a courtroom, he will show the court.
Right.
You know, if he has to show a party, he will show a party properly.
Yeah.
You know, if he has to show a shadi, he will spend on the shadi.
Have to show the son getting beaten up, it will actually happen.
It'll actually happen.
Yeah.
Okay. Like for example, और मैं कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं कर रहा लेकिन लाइक काफी ड्रामों में यही होता है कि सीन बड़ा लिखा जाता है और बाद में वो छोटा कर दिया जाता है कि यार इसी घर में हो रहा है.
Yeah.
ठीक है. No, he doesn't compromise, which is what I love about
No,
him.
it shows. The production quality shows. It's good fun. But I agree 2 किस्तें होनी चाहिए हफ्ते में for sure.
थोड़ा दिल को वो जरा
हाँ, कुछ हौसला तो हो ना कि स्टोरी हम भी देख रहे हैं आगे बढ़ते हुए. Although it's very fast paced. The pace is great. कुछ ना कुछ हर हफ्ते हो रहा है. It's not dragging. हाँ, बिल्कुल. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि ओह स्टोरी आगे नहीं चली. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा.
अभी
चलेगा.
अभी तो बेचारा आसिम.
So is it like now a full time like commitment for you acting?
Twice a year.
Twice a year. Or
you see, fashion has dead months. Right? So normally I was traveling and taking 4 holidays in a year.
Right.
And now I'm taking 2 holidays.
Okay. Right.
The other 2 months, because normally my spell is 25 to 30 days, and I asked for a spell together. Okay, you know, these are dates I have available. Take me or leave me type deal.
ठीक है.
So it makes my life easier. And instead of taking those 2 holidays to spend that money, now I'm spending those 2 months making money. So it's all right.
It's all right. Spending it on the next holiday.
On the next holiday.
Of course.
I've also gotten bored. I mean, I've traveled so much in my life.
It's fun. Yeah, absolutely. It's fun. And can you tell us anything about your next project?
No.
Are you playing another father? Are you going to be like the...
No, I'm playing a police commissioner.
Haven't you played a policeman before?
I played a police wala before.
You have, right?
Yeah.
Why do I remember this and it's not on record?
I'll tell you why.
हाँ.
वो हमने किया था, वो बड़ा मजे का सीन था. बताता हूँ तुम्हें क्यों याद है. Because मैं और ZQ बने थे पुलिस वाले.
बने थे.
अमार बिलाल की दुकान की ओपनिंग थी.
Okay.
और मैं वो पूरा सायरन लगा के पुलिस का जोड़ा पहन के.
You did something, right?
I walked in, I said ये फास्टिंग बंद करो. And अमार का बाप खड़ा हुआ ठटर रहा था कि पुलिस वाले आ गए. तो याद है उसकी? और वो मुझे गाड़ी नहीं दे रहे थे. सेट वाले. मैंने भीखे मांगी थी सेट पे. मैं कहा मैं सिर्फ एक दुकान की ओपनिंग से अभी 2 मिनट में होके आया. सब गाड़ी देते हैं. तो पूरा वो हॉर्न चल रहा था फुल ऑन. मैंने गाड़ी रोकी उस दुकान के सामने. एंड उसका बाप बेचारा हमारा.
He didn't recognize you?
नहीं वी जस्ट वॉकड इन. मैं दरवाजा खोला और धाड़ के
गालियां.
ये फांसी बंद करो. क्या ये बकवास हो रही है? कोई एनओसी है तुम लोग के पास?
Oh,
बेचारे
God.
लाहौर से आए हुए लोग यार.
Oh God.
जो मैंने तमाशा किया था वहां पर. And then he recognized me.
हाँ.
He said, Deepak बेटा, I said, don't worry uncle, just calm down. Just calm down.
अंकल को हार्ट अटैक हो जाना था उसी.
But वो प्ले का नाम मैं भूल गया हूँ.
Was it बांदी थी या कुछ ऐसा था?
It had Nadia Jamil,
Yeah.
Humayun Saeed,
Yeah.
myself, ZQ, another very senior actor who was also police wala with us.
No, I don't remember the name, and it's not one of the Soteli or the Mere
No,
Paas
it's
Paas
not.
or यूं ही or
नादिया का मर्डर हो जाता है उसमें. नादिया का मर्डर हो जाता है. And I'm myself and ZQ are the investigating officers. And Humayun Saeed is a suspect. Adnan Siddiqui is also in that play.
Right. No, I don't remember the name,
I don't
but I
remember the
remember
name.
you played a police wala.
Yeah.
So you're playing a police wala again.
Yeah.
Coming full circle.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah.
From Bakhtiar the Builder to
Bakhtiar the Builder to Commissioner Saab.
हाँ. Great.
Oh. But exciting times. भाई आप भी तो क्या कहते हैं फैशन से ड्रामों में और फिल्मों में चली गई हैं.
मैं तो कह रही हूँ कि
तो अब
बिल्कुल
हम भी फैशन से ड्रामा और
रिवर्स
फिल्मों में चले गए.
ऑस्मोसिस चल रही है अब तो. जिसको जो रास्ता मिलता है वो निकल जाता है.
But time.
I think we would have loved to stay within the fashion periphery, but it kind of dissolved.
वो भी आ जाएगा वापस.
I hope so. आएगा क्या? मुझे तो नहीं लगता.
अच्छा मैं ये समझता हूँ कि I'm a creature of constant change. I'm not someone who had said this. Saqib had said this years ago in my Magnum documentary that Unilever had produced on the 20th.
On your 20th year when we did the book.
When we did the book.
Yes.
Yeah. And Saqib had said that Deepak Vani doesn't believe in his laurels. He always just wants to do something different and something dynamic and something. So for me now, this is the medium
Yeah.
that is,
Absolutely.
then this is the medium.
And this is a medium.
But नया साल है, क्या पता?
Yeah.
शायद कुछ वापस आ जाए फैशन में.
Yeah.
कोई नई चीजें हो जाए. कोई दूर से कोई रोशनी नजर आ जाए वापस.
मुझे लगता है कुछ है. There's something happening.
देखते हैं.
Fashion museum type चीजें.
देखो म्यूजियम तो नहीं बन सकता. सब कपड़े चोरी करके ले जाएंगे अपने अपने घर में लगा लेंगे. ओके जैसे बाकी म्यूजियम के साथ हुआ है. ये तो नहीं हो सकता.
ये नहीं हो सकता.
इनफैक्ट a friend of mine wants to do a museum of modern art. तो मैंने उसको यही कहा. मैंने कहा भाई ओके तुम मर जाओगे और फिर वो एक दिन खाली हो जाएगा. ओके और इससे तो क्या हुआ मैं तो मर जाऊंगा ना. ऐसी बातें नहीं सोचते.
Yeah.
ओके कहीं इसी जगह पे दे दो चीजें
Yeah.
जहां पर लोग आके देख सकें अपनी जिंदगी भर.
As we conclude, I want to say a couple of things that I remember from your career, which are very sort of landmarks, I feel. Perhaps not for you, but you're in the Guinness Book of World Record for creating the biggest kurta, which is a fun fact. You've also been cultural ambassador to China and Malaysia. अब आजकल cultural ambassadors कौन है हमारे मुल्क के? Do you think the actors are the cultural ambassadors? Are they doing a good job, do you feel?
I think they're doing a good job. I think everyone's doing a good job.
I think some of them are.
I think
Those
some of
who
them
are actually working, with the British Asian Trust, for example, or with different
charities, organizations.
Yeah, organizations. They're doing a good job.
और UNICEF और UNHCR.
Absolutely.
I think so. और awareness भी तो ज़्यादा आ गई है.
Awareness ज़्यादा आ गई है.
उस ज़माने में तो awareness ही नहीं थी. उसमें डिज़ाइनर का नाम ही आता था भाई वीडियो के ऊपर.
और किताबों में. किताबों में. The Atlas of Fashion. You've been featured in.
The Atlas of Fashion. Frida Kahlo is the art of being.
Yeah.
बहुत चीजें हैं जिंदगी में.
One of your really good collections was the Frida Kahlo.
Yeah.
Also, was it the Flights of Fantasy?
Flights of Fantasy.
Fantasy, a beautiful collection.
Milan.
Also.
Khamaj.
Yes, of course.
Behti Nar.
Yes.
बाजी,
खैर गाने तो बहुत है ना द बाजी।
पंजाब नहीं
मैं
जाऊंगी।
पंजाब नहीं जाऊंगी ऑफ कोर्स, उसकी सारे कॉस्ट्यूम।
रात चली है झूम के, हसन जैदी's फिल्म। बहुत काम कर लिया जिंदगी में,
लेकिन करना भी है और आगे
ऑफ कोर्स
कि नहीं, करना है।
Oh, we've just done वो भी आने वाली है अभी, can't talk about it, but we've just done an Indian costumes in an Indian film.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, for a character, and it's an Ajay Devgan film. So वो भी अभी आने वाली है।
Looking forward to it.
I'm also looking forward to that part.
हाँ, looking forward to it.
और क्या किया है, इंसान भूल ही जाता है। वो वीडियो कौन सा बैन हो गया था उस जमाने में, जिसमें तारे कीरज को मारता है? रश का जो वीडियो
wasn't it Beti Nar?
It was Beti Nar.
It was Beti Nar.
That was Beti
Of
Nar.
course, yeah. Beti Nar.
ओ हाँ, नारे ना, सॉरी, आई वाज थिंकिंग नारे ना।
नारे ना तो अलग है ना, वो
वो
तो
अली
अली
अज़मत
अज़मत है। बेती नार was banned.
हाँ, वो बैन हो गया था। और सोचो जिंदगी में,
Was yours the controversial Anita Ayub shoot on the beach?
yes,
Yes.
with the burqa,
Yes.
yeah. फिर मैंने अनीता के साथ ड्रामा भी तो किया था एक।
हाँ,
अनीता के साथ ही मैंने एक ड्रामा किया
ड्रामा किया था।
ड्रामा किया था,
हाँ, ये लिस्टेड नहीं है। You should put it on your Wikipedia page.
बट ढूंढना पड़ेगा। I don't
हाँ, but you
remember
should
anything.
because they're not listed.
भाई फीफी ने हमसे बड़े कंट्रोवर्शियल काम करवाए अपनी जिंदगी में।
अच्छा है ना, याद तो रहेंगे ना, ये वो काम है जो याद तो
आई विश
रहेंगे।
वो सारा जो काम था, आई विश वो आज के जमाने में हो रहा होता,
नहीं हो सकता।
बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया वुड हैव सक्ड ऑन इट। उस जमाने में यू डिडंट हैव सोशल मीडिया,
Yeah.
right? So a lot of this work, I mean, a lot of incredible work, archives and stuff
Yeah.
like that have gotten lost. अगर देखा जाए तो,
There are a lot of things that you did back in the day that you wouldn't be able to do today. A lot of shoots that poked a finger at the establishment, वो आज आप नहीं कर सकते. Putting Anita Ayub in a burqa with tights on the beach on Seaview, you would not be able to do today.
that's also true.
हाँ, जैसे बड़ा फेमसली आपने एक इंटरव्यू में इस सवाल का जवाब दिया था, पूछा गया था आपको, What has been the greatest challenge so far in your career? इसका जवाब आपने दिया था, to make fat women look thin. क्या कहेंगे इसके बारे में?
Right. देखिए मेरी बात सुनो, देखिए ज़माने चेंज हो चुके हैं। उस ज़माने में क्या कहते हैं, पिंकी आंटी थी, चुन्नी आंटी थी, मुन्नी आंटी थी, और बहुत सारी आंटी, भूरी आंटी थी, काली आंटी थी। लोग कहते थे बचपन में निकनेम बना लेते थे। लेकिन आजकल के ज़माने में अगर तुमने बॉडी शेमिंग की और किसी को ये कहा तो सोशल मीडिया तुम्हें उधेड़ के रख देगा, समझे तुम?
आपको ऐसा लगा कि सोशल मीडिया ने आपको धेड़ा जब आपने अगेन इन्फेमसली किसी जर्नलिस्ट के बारे में ये कहा था कि 2 बैग और फ्रंट रो सीट दे दो मोटी को तो खुश हो जाएगी, अच्छा रिव्यू दे देगी?
मैंने बिल्कुल कहा था।
क्या ख्याल है?
आप ही के बारे में तो कहा था।
अब आप कहें भूली नहीं हो, लेकिन मैंने बुरा नहीं मनाया था। लाइक आई सेड फ्रेंड इन्फो, मैंने बुरा नहीं मनाया।
actually जब मैंने वो कमेंट किया था,
हाँ.
तो उसको मैंने डिफेंड नहीं किया।
हाँ,
इफ आई फेल्ट कि सोशल मीडिया पे अगर मैं डिफेंड करता उसको तो उसकी बात का और बतंगड़ बन जाता। तो एक्चुअली लेफ्ट द कमेंट एज इट इज। ओके, बिकॉज एक चीज मैंने सोशल मीडिया के बारे में समझी जिंदगी में, वो यही कि उस पे ना इंगेज ना करो। ओके, समथिंग आई लर्न फ्रॉम ट्विटर एक्चुअली,
राइट,
कि आप इंगेज ना करो।
yeah.
अगर आपने कोई ट्विटर पे लिख दिया है, own up to it and leave it. The moment you start engaging with individuals,
Yeah.
okay, the entire thing starts exploding even more. Okay, I understood the backlash on it. Okay, and I think the main backlash did not come, and the entire thing was taken out of a context because I was giving an interview.
Yeah.
And उस interview में एक part ये था, not कि जो मैंने बाकी चीजें कही, वो सारा interview जो मैं समझता हूँ कि वो सारा interview destroy हो गया because there were so many other good things
Yeah.
that I also said in
That's
that
what
interview.
happens. I mean, that's what clickbait is.
And that also made me realize कि ये बदतमीजियां जो हैं अब आप सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं कर सकते। Okay, जो अपने जमाने में बगैर सोशल मीडिया के करते थे।
अच्छा, I have to say I preferred that time.
You think so?
Yeah. You know why? Because what you felt, you said it.
मुनाफकत नहीं थी।
अब लोग समझते वही हैं, कहते नहीं हैं, मगर दिमाग में वही चीजें हैं। So I feel some things, yes, you should be politically
तो
correct.
मुझ में तो कभी वफर ही नहीं था वैसे भी,
मगर अब आ गया है ना।
अब आ गया।
अब नहीं आप ये कह पाएंगे।
मतलब कि मेरे ख्याल में जितनी लड़ाइयाँ जिंदगी में मैंने आपसे और दूसरे जर्नलिस्ट से
जी,
और बहुत सारे दूसरे लोगों से की होगी,
जी,
ठीक है, अपने लिए नहीं, हमेशा दूसरे लोगों के हक के लिए, क्योंकि मुझे अपने लिए कोई चीज़ मांगने की आदत नहीं है। Okay? कभी भी नहीं।
उफ,
ओके, कल इनफैक्ट मैं कल बैठा हुआ यही सोच रहा था कि मैं अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करने भी जा रहा हूँ, अगर भीख मांगने भी जा रहा हूँ फिर से लोगों से कि पैसे दे दें, तो I'm again going back to for the larger interest of the industry,
Yeah.
and not my own interest at all.
Yeah.
Okay, because I feel that, to be honest with you, I feel that as times have passed, the talent has gone down.
Yeah.
The talent needs to come back up again. Okay, and we need to see that talent. You know, it's like I'm missing that talent. I'm missing the fact that, oh my God, I just saw a gorgeous collection.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I just saw this.
We're
I
seeing
saw that.
talent on television in terms of acting and
You are.
performance, but
You
not
are.
in fashion.
But not in
Yeah.
fashion, you know. And I went to the AI, for example, I went to the AIFD show and I saw a lot of talent. Okay. A couple of collections were beautiful.
Yeah.
This girl who'd done Frida Kahlo, there was another girl who'd done something else. There was some very, very interesting. But then that talent I also felt will not be nurtured and will probably go into a grind
Absolutely.
of ready to wear and grind of just making the same kind of clothes that everybody
Yeah.
else is wearing.
Yeah.
So for a Capricorn like me,
Yeah.
I need to sponge off or see something new to feel excited.
Therefore, the eye must travel.
The eye must travel.
Yeah.
Must.
Yeah, must.
Must.
Yeah.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, हम ये इंटरव्यू ख़त्म करते हैं. आमना एहसानी और दीपक परवानी बहुत सालों के बाद मिले हैं. आपस में अच्छी अच्छी बातें भी हुई, बुरी बुरी बातें भी हुई, लेकिन ओवरऑल मेरे ख्याल में आपको मज़ा आएगा. Till next time, something hot. See you soon.